In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide Gmail side panels. If your Gmail inbox feels a little too busy, the good news is that you can quickly clean up the screen by hiding the side panels you don't need. This is especially useful if you want more space to read emails, write messages, or simply keep your workspace looking less cluttered. I'll walk you through how to hide both the left menu and the right side panel, and then how to bring them back whenever you need them. First, go to your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're on the main inbox screen so you can clearly see the layout of Gmail. On most screens, you'll notice a left column with items like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. And on the right side, you may see a vertical panel with app icons. To hide the left column menu, look to the top left corner of Gmail and find the main menu icon. This is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click that icon once, and the left side menu will collapse. This gives you more room in the center of the screen, which can make your inbox feel much more spacious. If you're working on a smaller laptop screen, this can be particularly helpful. Next, to hide the panel on the right, move your attention to the bottom right corner of the Gmail window. There you'll find the option to hide the side panel. Click it, and the vertical row of icons on the right-hand side will disappear. This is the panel that usually contains shortcuts to other Google tools, so hiding it can make the interface look cleaner and less distracting. Once both side panels are hidden, you should notice that your email area has a lot more visible space. This can make reading long emails and managing your inbox much easier. If you ever want to bring those panels back, simply click the same controls again. Use the main menu icon in the top left to unhide the left column menu, and use the control for the side panel in the bottom right to show the right side icons again. Gmail basically lets you toggle these panels on and off so you can switch between a compact view and a full view anytime you like. That's all there is to it. Hiding and unhiding Gmail side panels is a quick way to customize your workspace and make Gmail easier to use based on your preferences.